Everybody, it's a pleasure to come back again in front of all of you. Friends, today I'm going to tell you something about the importance of use of punctuation marks in the English language. मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स वो जो चिन्ह जो पढ़ते हैं वाक्य के बीच में उनकी बहुत महत्वता है. We cannot ignore the importance of punctuation marks. They are very necessary to enhance the meaning of the language. भाषा को प्रॉपरली बताने में आपको सरल लगेगा अगर आप पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स उसमें डालते हैं. The use of comma and full stop we all know, and we have been using it. What we overlook is that the other punctuation marks are equally important but mostly ignored. The other punctuation marks, such as, you must be aware, if I speak about hyphen, dash, colon, semicolon, okay, there are so many. Besides these, we overlook these. We are never using, hardly we use them. Inverted commas we do use at times. Single inverted commas. Interrogation mark we all know. Question mark. Okay, but what we don't generally know the use of colon, semicolon. Okay, comma we know there is a pause whenever we are pausing in the sentence which we are writing or speaking. There is a pause over there. That means it's having a comma. Full stop is the end of the sentence. Full stop is British language. It is also called period. Period in American language. Okay. If I say that, well, I'll be going to the movies tonight, period. That means I'll be going to the movies. आज मैं रात को movies देखने जाऊँगा, and it's final. Period. Full stop. Okay. This is very essential when we are using these punctuation marks. Interrogation marks we all know is used for questioning. What we don't generally use is the hyphen. Okay, hyphen is a small dash. It is used to make bigger words. Father-in-law, mother-in-law. Okay, watermark, take away. Oh, now we are having takeaway stations. Take hyphen away, away. Okay, these are hyphens. A bigger one is a dash, which is used to indicate many other things. If we talk about a lot of fruits were displayed on the table, okay, then we put a dash. Okay. Even with colon and a dash, sometimes only dash is used. We can put in bananas, comma, apples, comma, apricots, comma, bananas, mangoes, comma, pineapple, comma, and so on. We go on, and in the last we don't put comma, we say and, the final word. Okay, that's where we use this. Full stop is also used for abbreviations where we are making use of small condensed word instead of the full word. Okay, like ADV, full stop. It means advocate. DR, full stop, doctor. Short forms are used. Okay, these are full stops. We are using all those. Inverted commas, again they have a function where we are using the direct words of somebody. We use the double inverted commas. Single inverted commas are used when we are displaying the words which are not common to the language. Okay, like sarson ki roti, sarson ka saag and makki ki roti. That's why we are using it in single inverted commas, and so on. This is of course a lecture which we will go on This is to give you an idea about the importance of use of abbreviations in the language. That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you. God bless.